Rule number 8. Concord of invariable plural nouns. We will focus on summation plurals and pluralia tantum. What are plural invariable nouns? There are some nouns in English that occur only in their plural forms. So whenever these nouns are used, you will choose a plural verb. So plural invariable nouns occur only in their plural forms. When they are used as subjects, select a plural verb. There are three main categories of plural invariable nouns. The first one is summation plurals, and they include tools, instruments, or clothes consisting of two parts. What are some examples of these plural nouns? They are glasses, spectacles, pincers, pliers, scissors, shears, tongs, forceps, braziers, jeans, trousers, shorts, pajamas, pants, braces, and many others. Whenever you see these nouns as subjects, choose a plural verb. They occur only in their plural forms. For example, the scissors are mine, not the scissors is mine. My spectacles look nice, not my spectacles looks nice. The trousers are neat, not the trousers is neat. His shorts were expensive, not his shorts was expensive. However, what if I'm talking about just one pair of scissors? Am I still going to use are? What if I'm talking about just one pair of spectacles? Am I still going to use look? What if I'm referring to the only trousers that I have, which is a pair? Am I still going to use are? Now, whenever a pair is used before these plural nouns, they become singular, and you must choose a singular verb for them. For example, the scissors are mine. We chose are because scissors is always in the plural form. But if we want to make it singular, we will bring the word pair before scissors. So we will say, the pair of scissors is mine. However, if we bring pairs, then it becomes plural again. For example, the pairs of scissors are mine. So take note, when these nouns are used alone in the subject slot, they select a plural verb. However, when you bring the word pair before them, they become singular nouns. Let's have this example. The trousers are neat. We chose are because trousers is a summation plural noun and it exists only in the plural form. If we want to say just one pair, then we can say his pair of trousers is neat. Here it has become singular because of the presence of pair. But if we say pairs, it becomes plural again. His pairs of trousers are neat. This is one example of the plural invariable nouns. Wherever you see them, they are plural, and you must choose a plural verb, unless you use a pair before them. Let us move on to the next category of plural invariable nouns, and that is the pluralia tantum. These nouns usually have s endings, and they occur only in their plural forms. So all of the nouns that you have over here exist in their plural forms. They don't have a singular form. So when they are used as subjects, you will go for a plural verb. For example, archives, clothes, ashes, earnings, arrears, congratulations, remains, credentials, customs, surroundings, valuables, stairs, premises, wages, regards, goods. Whenever these nouns are used as subjects, select a plural verb. For example, the goods were delivered on time, not the goods was delivered on time. Their belongings have been packed into the boxes, not their belongings has been packed into the boxes. Her credentials are expensive. Why did we choose are? Why did we choose are? This is a plurality tantum, so we are going to select a plural verb. Their surroundings look peaceful. Surroundings is an example of plurality tantum, and it takes only a plural verb. The next category of plural invariable nouns is the unmarked plurals. These nouns always go with a plural verb. Take note: cattle, poultry, livestock, and police. For example, the cattle disturb the neighborhood, not the cattle disturbs the neighborhood, because cattle is always in its plural form. Another example: the livestock keep disturbing us, not the livestock keeps disturbing us. His poultry give him money, not his poultry gives him money. This is the Concord of plural invariable nouns. All the nouns that we mentioned should go with a plural verb. Let us solve these questions. Question 1. The scissors is sharp, or the scissors are sharp. What is the answer? It is are, because scissors is an example of a summation plural noun. It is always in its plural form. So the scissors are sharp. Now the next one. The trousers was or were too tight. What is the answer? The answer is were. This is because trousers is also an example of a summation plural noun. So it always goes with a plural verb. The pair of jeans is or are old. What did we say about pair? Whenever we bring it before a summation plural noun, we are going to choose a singular verb. So the pair of jeans is old. The last one. The valuables seem or seems important. The answer is seem. This is because valuables belong to plurality tantum, and therefore we will select a plural verb, which is seem. In our next lesson, we will look at the Concord rule number 9.